it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I made fun, fresh fish sticks. They're so much better than store-bought frozen and so easy to make. I'll show you how to make them. Use 1.5 pounds of flaky whitefish and cut them into fish sticks. I'm using mahi today. I poached the skin for a fun meal topper for my dog, James T. He lapped it up. Use 3 bowls for a breading station with flour, breadcrumbs, and eggs. Put fennel seeds and fresh thyme in with the breadcrumbs. Each get a treatment of a little bit of salt and pepper and give them a good mix. Season the fish with a little bit of salt and you're ready to go. Dredge each fish portion in flour, dip it in egg, and then pat it and press with the breadcrumbs. And continue with the rest. Let's go over to the stove. In a 12-inch skillet over medium heat, I heated up some olive oil and I added 6. I'm going to work with 2 batches. Each side only takes 2 minutes. Flip after 2 minutes and then add a tablespoon of butter. After those are done, I wiped out the skillet and started with the second batch. What a quick and delicious recipe. I love it. Put a little bit more salt on there and you can see I made my homemade tartar sauce. So easy to make, so fun, buttery, crunchy crust. Yummy. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.